Hello everyone, Amy here. I wanted to bring you another sandwich pour, but with black as the main sandwich color. So I'm using Marte's Lamp Black, and this is Shuttle Art's Yellow Flash, Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. Did you see the pictures at the beginning? The cells that this piece, oh, it's just amazing. And Pebeo's Iridescent Green Blue. And then I'm going to add another layer of the Marte's Lamp Black and repeat. I do the layers a little bit differently on the second round. I'm really glad I did. I think that that's probably one of the reasons why I got such great cells. Yeah, super, super beautiful cells with like bold outlines. I love this technique. If you're a fluid artist, you definitely have to give it a try. And I loved using the black as the sandwich color instead of white, just to give it a little bit, something different anyway. This piece really turned out galaxy-like. It almost looks like, I don't know, it looks like a mountain with a reflection in water, but somewhere in space because of the colors. So here I'm just going to set up my canvas. Pardon my voice again today. It's super early here and I just got out of bed. So I'm still just fighting that little bit of a cracky voice. One of the tips that I learned from Sarah Mack from watching her videos with this sandwich pour is to always leave a little bit in your cup at the very end so that when you stretch it out, you can add in ribbons where you need, and you'll see that I do that with this piece. All right, I'm going to add in some music, and I'm not sure if I'll jump back in and do a little bit more of a voiceover. But we'll see. Well, you'll see how amazing this piece turns out for just having 3 colors. All of my art is for sale on my website at www.amysacrylicartistry.com. So make sure you check that out. As well, you can follow me over on Instagram at anxiousamy_IG. And if you're interested in any custom creations, please email me at amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos, as well as giving me a thumbs up. I'm working on hitting 1,000 subscribers, so you would be a huge help for that. And let's do a close-up. If you have made it this far, I would love if you would leave me some yellow stars down in the comments. Thank you so very much for watching again today. Take care, everyone. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!